Have you heard about Careerhubora and you're asking some questions that are needed to be answered, or you're actually getting to know it? Now, in this video, I'm going to be making a review and also showing you the registration process when getting started with Careerhubora, as the name implies. So this is actually like applying for a job. Now I'm going to be telling you the requirements also you need to get started with this platform, the experience, and my review while using this platform. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to be creating a new account so you can see the process of getting started on this platform. Now, but before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online and make reviews for ourselves. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now, at the end of this video, and you're not in any of my Telegram or WhatsApp group, you can find the link on the pinned comment section to join this wonderful family so you can get updated continuously on updates like this. Now is to click the first link on the pinned comment section. This is actually a platform where it claims to give opportunities to users to apply for certain jobs right here. Now, when you come over this hamburger icon right here, you are going to be seeing about position, futures, and contacts right here. Now, let's move over to their testimonial so you can get to see some information that users of this platform have actually testified while using this platform. Now, when you come right here, you can see I can earn extra income without giving up my favorite job. I look forward to reach weekly payment. Now, when you come right here, you can also see some testimonies of different users. Now, I don't want to be wasting time in reading out these testimonies. As you can see right here, this person says, at first I did not have high hopes for this online job, but now I incredibly thankful that I decided to give it a shot. Now, the same shot that this person gave, that is the same shot you are going to be giving right on this platform, and you're going to be getting the value you desire. Now, this is actually some breakdown on opportunities you tend to get right on this platform. Make up to 220 euro down to this particular amount. Now, receive daily payment upon task completion. Work between 1 to 5 hours per day depending on the task. Now, depending on the kind of task you do right on this platform, that is what is going to be giving you some chances to increase your reward. Complete straightforward online tasks using your mobile phone. Enjoy flexible working hours from home. Okay, now if you've heard of user analytics, user testing, user interviews, and the likes of it, this is actually similar to this. Okay, so you can see understanding your job responsibilities. What they actually want right here is for you to come in and fill out some space and get these jobs. Now, these are not jobs where you get some micro pay. You actually get some reasonable amounts of funds as rewards right on this platform. Now, right here, I'm going to be walking you through the registration process, what you need to do, and what you need to get registered on this platform. Now, if you've watched this video to this point and you've not liked this video, please do well as we proceed with the registration process. Now, come right here. We're not going to come over to this hamburger icon because these are some things if you really want to know more about it. When you come over to about, you can also read to get some insights about how they operate. So right here, we are going to come down where you can actually find the register now. Now, once you click on register now, this is how the application form is gonna look like. Now, you can come right here and see where it says, please ensure that the WhatsApp number you provide is correct. Otherwise, you will not be able to contact you. We will not be able to contact you. We will reach out to you via WhatsApp within next 24 hours. So please check your message and respond promptly. Now, this is the mistakes that most people have shown this platform to they do. They actually come right here and put in a random number or put in anyhow number, and maybe at the long run they get registered and approved. This is what they are going to be doing. This platform is going to be sending you a notification, messages, information to your WhatsApp. Now, what you're going to be doing right here is before you go into this platform, make sure you have used the number you want to use right here for your WhatsApp. I repeat, make sure you've actually made that number your WhatsApp number, or make another WhatsApp on your phone and register the mobile number, virtual number you want to use right here, your WhatsApp number, so you can get notified whenever Careerhubora sends you a message. This is what you're going to be doing right now, is to come right here and fill out these details, then submit your application. As easy as that. Now I'm going to come right here and I'm going to input my name. Let me say I'm putting Joaking, and I'm going to come right here and I'm going to insert my mobile number, my virtual number, which is this. Now they actually automatically brought plus 444 plus 44, so I'm going to insert my number right here. I've actually inserted my virtual number. Right here you can see register WhatsApp number. Make sure your WhatsApp number is correct and reachable. So come right here and put in your age. Okay, so I'm going to put in this age, and I'm going to put in my email address. So make sure your details are correct. That is the mistakes most of us do when we want to get started on this platform. Now some of us will actually register on this platform, and at the end of it we will not be given some permission to have access to the account because of these little mistakes we do on our account. Now these are the details I've actually inserted right on this platform. Like I said, make sure your WhatsApp is correct and all details are put in place. I didn't mention the aspect of gender. Come right here and select whether male or female. So once you have put all these things in place, all you just need to do is to come right here and submit application. But before we submit this application, this is what you intend to get on this platform. They said, don't miss this opportunity. Positions are filling quickly. Apply today to become part of our team. Enjoy flexible of remote work and explore limitlessly career opportunities. Take this chance to start a new chapter in your career. So you can actually see that there are so many opportunities right on this platform, as you can see, where you can get in touch with them. Okay, so this is not like other platforms you come in and apply and do nothing. So what you're going to be doing is to make sure, the only request I want you to do is to make sure your virtual number is registered on WhatsApp. Now once you've come right here and fill out all these details and your WhatsApp number is registered on WhatsApp, come right here and submit your application. So right here you can see thank you for submitting. You are just a few steps away. You are free to continue on live chat or WhatsApp. Continue on WhatsApp, contact us via live chat. Now this is what you're going to be doing. You can continue via WhatsApp. You can also contact them via live chats. You can see right here that this template shows that this is actually completed. You can see, hello, I have submitted my application, please find my details below. So these are the details I just submitted. Kindly review your information and let me know if you have any corrections. If any corrections are needed, thank you. So you can see that these are what you just need. Now the next thing you want to do is to continue via WhatsApp. Now so once you come right here and click on continue via WhatsApp, you're going to be having access and communications, also informations about this platform. Once you go ahead to apply and you get approved on some tasks, congratulations to you. All you just need to do is to follow their process, set up your account and keep on performing these tasks and getting more rewards from this platform, as this is my experience while using this platform. That is why I said, before you go ahead setting up with this particular platform, make sure your virtual number has already been registered on WhatsApp. Now if your virtual number has been registered on WhatsApp, then you can now go ahead to click on contact us via WhatsApp. Now once you have access with this platform on WhatsApp, you are good to go. I repeat, you are good to go, because from my own experience, immediately I made this video, I already have an account which I already contacted them on WhatsApp. Now with that, I actually have a rest assured that I'm going to be getting approved, as after 24 hours most of their reaching out to you is to tell you where and how you can go about your account. So if you don't link your registered number on this platform to your WhatsApp, you might be finding it difficult to get some information right on this platform. So they actually get more to tell you on WhatsApp and how you can go ahead to run your account. So this is my shared experience, and this is how you can actually register on this platform and get some advantage right on this platform. So like you just saw when I showed you that this particular platform is actually filling out space quickly. So the faster you get this information, the faster you can request to get an account with them. So you can actually give this particular platform a try and see how it goes on your end. Now if you actually get approved on this particular platform and you start getting some rewards, like performing tasks and getting rewards afterwards, you can come back to this channel and drop a comment so other people can learn from any mistakes or any experience you've actually gotten while creating your account and the conversation you have with them on WhatsApp. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got much knowledge while watching this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, if you actually have any question regarding everything I said in this video, feel free to drop your comment on the comment section below, and I'll be glad to give response to all your questions. It is always advisable you also join our social media platforms, our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group, where we also share some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings and some specific information you need to leverage online in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.